Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to today's video. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review of the Pride Mobility Jazzy Elite 14 power wheelchair. Now before I get started with this video, I just want to mention two quick things. Number one, if you want a copy of our product catalog, it's free. All you have to do is go to our website, www.mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. I also want to say that if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you're automatically entered into our monthly giveaway raffle. We give away a free powered mobility product to one random lucky YouTube subscriber. So if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button and you could be the next lucky winner. With that being said, we'll go ahead and get started with this video. Pride Mobility is the most trusted name brand in mobility. They've been around very long, making power wheelchairs for decades, and the Jazzy series is one of the most trusted series of power wheelchairs in the industry by far. Pride Mobility offers an industry-leading warranty and a 1-year service agreement with the purchase of every powered mobility product. That means that if you have a warranty claim, it's super easy to get them fulfilled, super easy to get parts. Not only that, Pride Mobility will dispatch a technician to your home. You don't have to go anywhere. They'll send a technician to your home to replace any parts that are covered under warranty within the first year. So you get a huge peace of mind when you own a Pride Mobility powered mobility product, such as the Jazzy Elite 14. Now, what makes this unit special is that it is a front wheel drive power wheelchair. This chair is going to have 14-inch foam-filled front-wheel drive tires, and it's just going to have really good control. So if you're planning on going on grass, going outdoors, this is going to be one of the better models to choose. It has a 300-pound weight capacity, so it's going to be classified as a full-size power wheelchair, not really a heavy-duty power wheelchair. It is very service-friendly, and it has a ton of comfort adjustment features. Now, I'm going to throw the specifications on the screen for just a moment, but I am going to recite some of the more important ones to you now. It has a 300-pound weight capacity, and the overall width is going to be 24.25 inches. The overall length, 35.5 inches with the footplate up. With the footplate down, it's going to be 42.5 inches. Now, it has a turning radius of 24 inches, which is really impressive. It's going to have an excellent turning ability, and it has a very nice footplate on the front, which is pretty large. It does flip up. On a full charge, this unit's going to get about up to 21 miles with a 200-pound load. If you're closer to the weight capacity limitation, you'll probably get around 17 to 18 miles, depending on several factors like the load, the terrain, the incline that you're going on, etc. Now, it comes with an 18-inch wide seat, but you can actually upgrade it to get a 20-inch wide or a 22-inch wide seat. And check out all the customizable options on our webpage, or give our non-commissioned sales experts a call. They'd love to answer any questions that you have. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all of the features starting from the bottom. You have the front anti-tip casters here. So you have those for stability. You have a flip-up footplate like we talked about. It doesn't have suspension, but it does have a very smooth ride. And again, it has these huge tires that are foam filled, so you don't have to worry about putting air in them. You could see the motors here on the side right below the Elite 14 logo insignia. You have nice casters in the back here to provide stability, some reflectors on the back here. And if you look at these yellow hand screws, you can actually, these are for the technicians. It's very service friendly. Basically, you don't need any tools. You take these screws, you loosen them all the way, and that's how you're going to access the battery compartment. So when you're ready to change your batteries, just unstrap them here, pull the batteries out, and you can replace your batteries very easily. You actually don't even need to take the seat off. Most models you have to take the seat off, but the seat's pretty heavy. So if you have someone that can help you change the batteries, you really don't need a technician to do so. You just take this cover off, slide the batteries out. It has two 12-volt batteries. They're lead acid. And while we're on the back here, I want to talk about a few things here. You have a 1-inch hitch receiver in the rear. That's going to be used to house some accessories like a rear cage style basket, an oxygen tank holder, walker holder, cane holder, etc. There's tons of universal accessories that we offer. Just check out our website in the accessories section. Now the armrests are width adjustable. Where I'm pointing right here, you can't really see it, but there's a set screw. You'll use the Allen key that comes with your model in the user manual bag to loosen that set screw, and then you can bring the armrests outwards to create more distance between the armrests. So they're width adjustable, and there's another set screw here to adjust the height of the armrests as well. By the way, the armrests do flip up, and it has a headrest which is also height adjustable. Now on the right hand side, there is a lever to do a semi-recline. Goes far back, not all the way, and you can use that lever to fold the seat all the way down, and that helps when you're removing the seat. The seat's pretty heavy, so you might need 2 people to do that, but there are no tools required. Just pick straight up. And let's work our way to the joystick here. You have a standard joystick. It's very responsive. It's throttle sensitive. So if you push forward all the way, it goes all the way to top speed, which you control with the speed knob. So counterclockwise all the way is going to limit the speed and go really slow all the way up. Once you're comfortable maneuvering the chair, you can bring the speed all the way up. It has a horn button in the middle, and these lights are going to give you the status of the battery charge. Right now it's fully charged, but as you start to use it, each light starting from the green all the way to the right will start to disappear, turn off, and that's going to show you when your battery's running out. Now the charging port for the batteries, it's actually right here up high underneath the joystick. It uses a 3-pin barrel connector known as an XLR charger. Now if you want to disconnect the power when you're removing the seat, you can do so right here. And that's how you disconnect the joystick. Now this power wheelchair, like all power wheelchairs, has 2 motors, and they each have an electromagnetic brake lever attached to them. So if you want to push the chair manually without using the joystick, you can disengage these levers by bringing them to the outward position, and that unlocks the braking system. So now I can actually manually push the chair. So if your batteries die, you're not going to be able to move it unless you unlock those brakes. Keep in mind, if you turn the unit on right now and you try to use the joystick, it's not going to work. And that's because the brake levers are not engaged, and for safety, they need to be engaged. So you're going to turn the unit off, re-engage the brake levers, turn the unit back on, and it's going to work like it should. Comes with a seat belt. You have several different size options for the seat belt. Lift, you can actually remove the seat. Just pull on this lever, or on this strap rather, right here, and it's going to disconnect the clamp. You should actually fold the backrest down first. Pull this lever, and now you can raise the back of the seat up. After that, you want to grab from the bottom part of the front of the seat, pick up, and back. Now we have it disconnected. Of course, you want to disconnect this cable as well, which is for the power to the joystick. And when you're ready to service the controller, if you need to, in the front, I'm going to unlock the brake levers here and show you. Right here, there are 2 screws here that you can see. I'm pointing them out. Unscrew those, this plate comes off, the controller's right there. So it's very, very service friendly. When you're ready to put it back on, you want to make sure that you have those hooks right there that I'm pointing out with my index finger are going to line up with the bars on the front of the chair. So you want to line it up. Pull this strap. Now it's locked into position. I'm going to engage my brake levers again, because remember, your power wheelchair won't work unless your brakes are engaged. See, it's locked in now. It's not rolling around freely. And reconnect my power cable. All right, well, that is going to conclude the review video of the Elite 14. It's a very maneuverable chair. Front wheel drive chairs are usually more maneuverable. If you have any questions, feel free to give our non-commissioned sales experts a call. They'd love to answer any questions that you have. Again, my name is Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and hit the subscribe button. You can also enable notifications. That way you get notified whenever we release new videos just like this one. Our YouTube channel is organized into convenient playlists ranging from repair videos, review videos, unboxing videos, and we're constantly making epic videos. So make sure you go on over to our YouTube channel, check out our videos, leave a comment if you have any questions. We reply to all of our comments. We would also appreciate it if you like the video. And by the way, don't forget, you can claim a copy of our free catalog. Just go to our website and then click on the green button at the top of every page. Just fill out that short form. You'll get one in the mail within 2 weeks. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.